So we're here at the MPN Texas Workshop 2022, and I'm so happy to tell you that there was one big breakthrough while we were here, which is the US FDA approval for a rare disease and a drug known as Pemigatinib. And this approval is very notable because it's for an extraordinarily rare, ultra-rare disease that some of us call the 8p11 syndrome, or MPN, with myeloid lymphoid properties. And so this approval is based on the fact that Pemigatinib targets FGFR, and that's what's overexpressed and abnormal in these patients with these tumors. So it's a welcome addition to those of us, such as myself, who dedicate their career and lives to patients with rare diseases. It's also a testament to the collaborative nature of research between all of the stakeholders and collaborators in the field. So this is really great for our patients, and I'm happy to know that we found out that news while we were here at this meeting.